Welcome back to section 3 and filters. So in this video, we're going to talk about the 3D filter. So let's head over to Photoshop. And the first thing I want you to do is create a new document. And we're going to go to, let's do web, and then just do web most common. That's fine. And hit create. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to filter. And I'm going to click on 3D. I'm going to click on generate bump map. Now, I don't have anything here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a vector ellipse or a rectangle like that, and then we'll try this again. So let's do filter, 3D, generate bump map. Okay, and I'm going to convert to smart object. Okay. Okay, so now you can see we've created a bump map. So what you can do is you can adjust the blur on this, and then we can also adjust the detail scale. So you can do that, and then you can also increase the bump or drop the bump down. We can adjust the contrast. So you can go high, low, medium, etc. I'm going to hit OK. Oh, and you can also do lighting preset. So you can do 3D print preview lightning. Okay, we can do blue lights, CAD optimized. Okay, cold, dawn, daylights, fire, default lights, hard lights, lush, Mardi Gras, night lights, primary colors, purple phase, red lights, and white lights. Okay, so I'm going to hit OK, and you can see that is the 3D. We went to filter though, and we did 3D, and then we did bump map. So now we're going to do normal map. But what I want to do is before we do that, I want to select the correct layer. So let's go to the ellipse here, the ellipse 1. I'm going to delete that, and then let's go to the rectangle tool again, and we're going to draw another rectangle, but this time I'm going to do more of a square kind of look. So let's go to filter, and we're going to do 3D, and instead of bump map, which is what we did on the other one, we're going to do generate normal map. Okay, I'm going to convert to a smart object, and then it's going to take us to the generate normal map window where we can go in there and we can adjust this. And you can see here that that is the square that we created. Okay, and so what we can do is it's got all the same presets that I just went over for the other one, so I won't go through all these again. But what I want to do is I want to select purple phase because that's kind of a cool looking deal there. And the blur is basically just going to wash out the effect if we don't want a lot of it in there. It just depends. Now I want to keep that effect there so we can see what it's doing. But you can change the object as well. So we can do soda. So it's a soda can. Okay. That's kind of cool, actually. You can do a cone. So you can maneuver it around to where it would be doing that. Cube wrap. Okay. So this is a cube. You can do cylinder. We can do donut. Whoops, that's a hat. Let's do donut first. Okay. So you can see there's the donut. Okay, then we did hat. I showed you that one. Pyramid. Okay. Ring. Okay, so you can do a ring. You can also do a sphere. Okay, and then you can also do a wine bottle. Very cool. So they have a lot of preset objects in here. We can do texture map. Okay, so I want to keep it within the realm of like the sphere for this example. Let's just go back to sphere and then hit OK. so you can see what it looks like. So now we added this effect, this filter in there, and it pops out more. So what I want to do is I'm going to grab another layer here, and I'm going to change this to gray. So this is the color you need. So you need 505153. And then we're going to grab the paint bucket, and I'm going to paint that. I'm going to fill the background, and then this will give it a little more pop so you can see where the filter or the effect really is, you know, appearing. So that is the 3D filter. Okay. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.